Today I'm teaching you how to do a one-pot harissa baked chicken. This dish is so damn easy. It is delicious, it is full of flavour, and it's perfect to feed your family. Let's get into the recipe. So our ingredients are, we have some thyme, some dried mushrooms, some garlic, chilli, onion, we have some zucchini, we also have some chickpeas and some diced tomatoes. You can use fresh or tinned. I'm using tinned because it's easy. We have a gorgeous organic free-range chicken. We also will add some chicken stock in there, and we have some za'atar flatbread, and we'll be serving that on the side. So what I love about this recipe is it is full of flavour. Everything goes into one pot. You sit it on the stove or chuck it in the oven, and within about 3 hours you have an amazing dish that is so full of flavour, and your house will smell amazing. Our first step is to do our mise en place, which is all of our preparation, having everything in place before you start cooking. So we are going to roughly chop up some garlic. We're also going to dice up some onion, so one whole brown onion. We've got some chilli here as well, so lots of chilli. We're going to dice up one red chilli, and then there's a whole bunch of other chilies here that we're going to just chuck in there and cook whole. So just dice up the chilli nice and fine. Thyme as well. Just run your knife through that nice and rough. This is a family home-cooked one-pot dish. It doesn't have to be perfect, so don't stress. We're then going to rehydrate our dried mushrooms with some boiling hot water or some stock. We've also got a zucchini. We're going to dice our zucchini up into some nice funky large shapes. That looks about right. And that, my friends, is the mise en place ready to go. In a heavy base pot, what we're going to do is we're going to colour and caramelise the skin side of our chicken first, and that's going to add a really nice amount of caramelisation and depth into this sauce. So onto a high heat with some olive oil, and we're just going to fry that chicken until it's golden. All right, I'm going to remove that chicken, and then our next step is to fry down all of our beautiful veggies, that mise en place that we've done. So into the same pot, a little bit more olive oil, then I'm going to chuck it in there, and we're going to cook those veggies until they're tender. Once your veggies are tender, add in your chickpeas, your diced tomatoes, your rehydrated mushrooms, and your whole chilies. Add in our chicken, skin side up. So whole chicken into the pot with those veggies. From there, we're going to coat it with my homemade harissa paste. So if you're looking for this recipe, the homemade harissa paste is on bondiharvest.com. So now just throw a lid onto your harissa chicken, and we're going to turn that down to a low to medium heat. I'm going to cook that for about 2 to 3 hours, and I'm using a heavy cast iron La Crozette pot. And you know, being cast iron, it means that it's going to cook it evenly. It's going to surround it with that beautiful heat. And there you have it, guys, a gorgeous one-pot harissa crusted chicken. It is gorgeous and crusted. The chicken is fallen off the bone. It is super tender, and recipes don't get any simpler than this. I have left the full recipe both on bondiharvest.com and in the comments below, so you can save the recipe and cook it another time. Do me a favour, share the love, tag a mate, give the recipe a crack, and I will see you next time. Peace out, stay safe, cook lots in this crazy, crazy times. Ew.